Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make my chips masala. First and foremost, I started by mixing my spices. I had cumin, garam masala, white pepper, paprika, turmeric, curry powder, and some salt. Then in a hot pan I added some oil, then some onions, and I left them to saute. After sauteing them for like 4 minutes, I added my spices. This is why you should add your spices, guys, before the tomatoes and everything, so that they can be well cooked. I left the spices to cook for about 3 minutes. Then I added my blended tomatoes, and it's after pouring the pureed tomato that I noticed that was a lot of tomatoes, whatever. And then I left everything to cook for about 10 minutes because it had to simmer down. I was waiting for the tomatoes to cook down, simmer and thicken, but at this point it was not thickening and it was taking too long to simmer, so I just decided to add my chips. Yeah, this is the reason I was saying that was a lot of tomato. I blended a lot of tomatoes because, as you can see, it looks like making a stew of chips, but the good thing is it simmered down after a while, and the chips didn't break down. I cooked them for about 2 minutes, and then I switched off everything, the heat I mean, and then I added my dhania. And that's all for this week's video. Thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like this video and share it with your friends, and I'll see you on the next one.